Shelley from Frugal Family Home, and I have an easy meatball sandwich recipe for you today. First, we're going to take a pepper and slice it, and an onion and slice it too. Then we're going to add those to our bowl, and we're going to drizzle it with a little bit of oil. And to that, we're going to sprinkle it with garlic, salt, pepper, and parsley. Just sprinkle it on really good, and then we're going to give it a stir to incorporate it really well. And then we'll just slide these right onto our sheet pan. Going to add our meatballs, and I am using homemade frozen meatballs here. We're going to bake in oven for 375 for 20 minutes. And while that's baking, we're going to toast our hoagie rolls. We're going to butter it first. And then we're going to add some garlic and parsley to that and sprinkle it on. And then we'll broil them just to make them nice and toasty, just like this. And then we'll put our meatballs on top of our buns and add the roasted veggies with it too. And finally, we'll sprinkle on some mozzarella cheese. Broil them just for a few minutes just to melt the cheese. And this is what you get. Doesn't it look great? And if you want the printable recipe, you can find the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.